Nothing is more powerful for your future than being a gatherer of good ideas and information. That's called doing your homework. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hi everyone, today I'm Alia Afifa Izwandi as your moderator for today's discussion. We are here to discuss about the topic, should homework be banned? The goals of this discussion today is to interpret and describe the significance of your findings in light of what was already known about the research problem being investigated and to explain any new understanding or fresh insight about the problem after you have explained and taken the findings into consideration regarding to this topic. Before that, why is it so important? Why homework so important? Is it should be banned or it is vital for successful learning? It's time to discover the benefits of doing homework. Lots of homework continues to be one of the most disappointing things for millions of students. Crowds of learners and students would like to have more free time. And also, let's try to explore more info about this issue. So, who want to be first convey an opinion to start our discussion today? Say your name, at least brief introduction about yourself.
Hello, my name is Shola Regar. My student number 092. I won't give my opinion. Homework has little educational work and adds nothing to the time spent in school. Some school and some country don't bother with homework at all, and the results do not seem to add nothing to standards. Test scores from primary or elementary fulfills international compressions of older students have found no positive relationship between the amounts of homework sets and average test scores. If anything, country with more homework got worse results. That's for me.
Hello guys, my name is Octavia Putri, my study number 94. I don't really agree with you, Yola. Homework is a crucial and important piece of education. There are a couple of hours in each school day, not enough time to cover properly all the subjects children need to study. Setting homework extends study beyond school hours, allowing greater and deeper education. It also makes the best use of teachers who can spend listen time teaching rather than just supervising individual work that could be done at home. Tasks such as reading essay, researching, doing math problems are best done at home away from the distraction of the students.
Okay. Hello guys, my name is Gio Validwin Rinaldi. My student number is 096. Your point is good, Putri, but you can ignore the bad effect of homework. Homework is almost always done when our child is already tired from a long day at school. As a result, few students are at their best when they sit down in the evening, yet more homework ends up being done in a hurry. By student fighting fatigue and poor quality work is producer worse still students who have been up late trying to finish off their homework, then become tired into school the next day and so are less ready to learn. Really? What's the point, Putri?
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Pedro Chaniago. Today I'm going to convey my opinion. So we know that doing homework requires plenty of time, but students are expected to find a healthy balance between learning, working, and having free time. This means learners should become effective managers for themselves to become successful. Time management is one of the necessary field almost all people use in their everyday life. The sooner the student learn its basics, it will be better. That's all from me.
Yes, you realize that homework takes lots of time off. Being young is not just about doing schoolwork. It's also about being physically active, exploring the environment, talk, play, doing creative things like music and arts, and playing a part in the community. It is also important for young people to build bonds with others, especially family and friends, but homework often squeezes the time available for all these things.
Again, just because some teachers are bad at setting homework, there is not a reason to scrap it altogether. Homework needs to be well decided and should not take up all of students' spare time. Recent surveys found that most students in the country spend no more than an hour a night on homework. That suggests there does not seem to be a tribal problem with the amount being said.
I'm sorry. The other issue is homework. Put students off learning. Studies have shown that many children find doing homework very stressful, boring, and tiring. Often teachers understand how long a task will take or set an unrealistic deadline. Sometimes because our teacher has not explained it sometimes new well in class, the homework task is impossible. So children end up paying with their free time for the failing of their teachers. There are also severe punishment if work is done badly or late after years of bad homework experience. It is no wonder that many children come to dislike education and quit off or drop out too early. Yeah, I think that's my point. Thank you.
I'm afraid I can agree with you. If homework puts students off learning, then it has been badly planned by teacher. The best homework task engage and stretch students, encourage them to think for themselves and follow through ideas which interest them. Over time, well-planned homework can help students develop good habits such as reading for pleasure or creative writing. Okay, that's all from me.
All right, then, thank you everyone for your thoughts. We can conclude that even though there are potential risks of negative effects, homework should not be banned. Small amounts assigned with specific learning goals in mind and with proper parental support can help to improve students' performance. While some studies have generally found that little evidence that homework has a positive effect on young children, and overall, a 2008 study by Norwegian researcher Martha Roning found that even some very young children do receive some benefit. So, simply banning homework would mean that any particularly gifted or motivated pupils would not be able to benefit from increased study. However, at earliest age, very little homework should be assigned. The decision about how much and what type are best left to teachers and parents. As a parent, it is important to clarify what goals your child teacher has for homework assignment. And also, teacher can assign work for different reasons as an academic drill to foster better study habits and unfortunately as a punishment. Let me just make a point. The goal for each assignment or homework should be made clear and should encourage positive engagement with academic routines. That's all, everyone. Let's end our discussion today. Thank you everyone for your participation today. See you in another change. Cheers. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.